Hey guys! So in this video today I will be showing you how I achieve this amazing hair color using all Clairol Pro products. Let's go! These are the Clairol products that I'll be using today, and as you guys can see I am wearing a human hair wig because I have been dyeing my real hair so much I decided to give it a rest. The first step is to bleach the hair, and I'm going to be using the Clairol Pro white powder, and I'm going to mix it with the Clairol Pro white cream developer in a 20 volume. Now I'm going to apply the mixture to my hair. First, I like to section the hair off into smaller pieces and then switch between using the brush and my fingers to really saturate the strand. If you are not comfortable with bleaching your hair, that's totally understandable. I would suggest going to a professional to have them bleach it, and then at home you can use the Clairol Pro Flare Me colors yourself. Now it's time to add the color. I am going to be using Clairol Pro Flare Me Turn Their Heads Red Permanent Cream Hair Color, and I'm going to be mixing the hair color with a 10 volume cream developer. Now I'm going to apply the color using the brush. I'm going to section my hair into smaller sections and just really get in there with the color. I want to saturate it really well. So a little more about Flare Me. It is a permanent color line that really allows you to personalize your hair color with very expressive colors. It comes in 7 new vivid shades plus 1 clearly You pastel clear mix-in. So this color will not bleed. It will not stain your pillow. There's nothing to worry about. It fades true to tone. And if you have dark hair and you want to achieve the bright, bold look, you do need to pre-lighten your hair beforehand. However, you can use Flare Me on dark hair without lightening it. It'll just be more of a subtle wash of color, which some people really want. Okay, you guys, I want to challenge you to take the Clairol Pro Bold Hair Challenge. And what color would you choose? I just want to know. Let me know. What color would you choose to personally express yourself? After I've applied the hair color, I'm going to apply the Clairol Pro iThrive Color Vibrancy Intense Repair to help seal and protect the hair. You can find this and all of the products at Sally Beauty Supply stores nationwide. I'm going to follow up with the Clairol Pro iThrive Color Vibrancy Conditioner. After I rinse out the conditioner, I'm going to dry my hair my favorite way, which is air drying. I like to stay away from heat as much as I can. And this is the result. You guys, I love this color on my hair. I love it, love it, love it. I feel vibrant and I think it looks really great. What do you guys think? And again, tell me what color you would pick part of the Clairol Pro Bold Hair Challenge. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions. And I can't wait to make another video, guys. Bye.